Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox face tracking not working or not showing up. Are you looking for a quick guide how to fix Roblox issues like this? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, to fix Roblox face tracking not showing, you need to verify your age 13 or older in your settings. After you've verified your age, allow Roblox to access your camera and join an experience that has a camera-enabled communication. And here's how to do this. So first log into your Roblox account and click on the setting icon. In settings, enter your birthday. You may, again, 13 years old or older, and then select verify my age and follow the on-screen instructions. After that, go back to your settings and select privacy. In privacy, scroll down and enable use microphone to chat with voice and use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. After that, join a Roblox experience that supports both microphone and camera communication. Then inside the experience, press escape and select settings. In settings, click on the video icon and emoji icon to enable the face tracking and camera feature. That's how you do it. As you can see here, there you go. That's how you verify your age. And this is how you set up your microphone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.